If you need highly secure ID cards at your medium-sized organization, the ID Maker Edge is the perfect one for you. This one or two-sided printer is excellent for medium to large volume prints due to its 100 input, 100 output card hoppers, and 160 card per hour print speed. It prints on PVC or adhesive cards, has automatic or hand feed options, and it's compatible with upgrades like magnetic stripe and smart card encoding. A nice standard feature is its 3 anti-fraud watermarks, which are perfect for high-level forgery prevention. The ID Maker Edge also boasts impressive features like a wider color spectrum for vibrant prints, digital data shredding, and a standard 3-year warranty with extended warranty options. Like all of our printers, the ID Maker Edge comes with free and unlimited technical support for the life of the printer, saving you money over its lifetime. Want to learn more or receive free card samples? Request information at idville.com/guide or call an IDville specialist today.